I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss what get started with Razor pages in ASP.NET Core using JetBrains Rider. So let's open the JetBrains Rider. Now let's click on New Solution, and here you can see Blazor, Razor class, and Razor web app Razor pages. So here a project template for creating ASP.NET Core application with example ASP.NET Core Razor pages. So let's give you Razor example. So with this selected there, .NET framework is 9, SDK, C# that selected with. After that, simply you need to click on this create. So project is now loading the project inside JetBrains Rider. And this all there. So this here program says C# content, and now pages. Here you can get this or error index privacy. So let's go on this error. CSHTML view data title error. Here you can get this content, and here this is index page. That's for home, and there that is script welcome with this link. And this here privacy, this content that's display here. Privacy policy, view data, use this. So now let's click on this, run Razor pages, and now you can see here there's an example that's come there. Home page is there with this title localhost. Now let's go on this privacy. This here privacy part is there, and here there's a page. This is the home section. Now let's do some changes on this. So here privacy policy, let's include something. Welcome to new privacy and policy. View data, and thereafter first stop this one. Stop, and thereafter let's save that. So this is now for privacy. Index HTML, this is home page. Welcome to Razor example. This I added inside the home page. Now let's click on this, run project. Here you can see welcome to Razor example that's come there. Privacy that I include welcome to new privacy policy. Like this you can add any kind of contents inside this Razor pages. Okay, so this is how we can create first project of the Razor pages in ASP.NET Core using JetBrains Rider. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.